I think most New Zealanders probably misunderstand what it means for both sides, and I think that's possibly on both sides as well. It's just a mismatch of expectation, I think, is where we've ended up, and it'd be good to get those expectations aligned. So you only do that through actually understanding what the other side is actually on about. It's not that there's, well, yeah, obviously there are two sides because that's what a treaty is. You know, it's I don't want to sound confrontational, but it's yeah.